Hello. Well, it's turning much fresher across much of the UK throughout today. However, slightly humid air will linger in the southeast, bringing a risk of thunderstorms. Looking at the latest satellite picture from this morning, you can see we've got thicker cloud centred across the middle of the UK, and that's marking this frontal area, which is the boundary between this fresher air to the north and the more humid, warmer air in the south and east. And that's what's going to allow these thunderstorms to break out this afternoon. But on the front, so far today, we've seen quite heavy rain across parts of Lincolnshire and Yorkshire, and that rain will push into more southeastern areas throughout this afternoon, bringing with it a risk of thundery downpours. There could be some hail and lightning in here as well. Now, to the north of that, it will be feeling much fresher, and because of that, temperatures will be a little bit down on yesterday, highs of around 17 degrees, much closer to average for this time in September. In the southwest as well, it will feel that much cooler as well, but temperatures around 21 or 22 degrees. Now, through this evening, those thunderstorms could continue across the southeast, bringing some surface water on the roads for those travelling this evening. And as the rain clears, in the wake of it, we'll see quite a lot of cloud around across the southeast, particularly over any hills and coastal areas across Kent and Sussex throughout the early hours of tomorrow morning. But elsewhere, it'll be a clear and dry night, plenty of starry skies out there. The odd patch of mist and fog, though, across rural areas of Wales. And with plenty of clear skies, it's going to be one of the coldest nights we've had in a little while. Potentially a frost is expected across the sheltered glens of Scotland, so temperatures as low as -1 or 2 here to start on Wednesday morning. From the southeast, it'll be a much milder night, so still slightly uncomfortable overnight here. So Wednesday then, we'll see a good deal of sunshine, much more than we're expecting through today, and the odd shower breaking out through the afternoon in the southeast, but these will be much lighter than any showers we'll see through Tuesday. And because of that, the country's seeing much more of that fresher air. It'll feel more widely cooler. Highs of around 20 degrees on Wednesday. These are all around average for the time of year. However, you can notice across Northern Ireland and the wet northwest of Scotland, it's turning that much cooler once again, with wet and windy weather arriving for Wednesday night. Now, that rain will become more widespread, pushing into parts of northern England and much of Scotland throughout Wednesday night. Winds are expected to pick up through the night, with gusts in excess of 50 miles per hour possible for a time overnight on Wednesday. Ahead of that, though, a relatively dry night across the bulk of England and Wales, but we could see some misty murkiness lingering over the hills overnight. Now, through the rest of the week, we'll see that front become stuck across the country once again, and marking another boundary between that warmer, more humid air across the southeast and that fresher air across the northwest. That'll bring cooler nights to northern areas and days too, but a risk of thunderstorms becoming much more likely as we head into the weekend. There is a bit of uncertainty as to where this boundary will lie and where it will be at any point during the weekend, so it's important to keep up to date with the forecast, and you can do that by taking a look at our social media channels. Bye-bye for now.